Welcome back to another Employee Spotlight. Today I have Ben with me. Thank you for coming, Ben.
Hello.
Alright, so I have a few questions. Some are going to be professional based, others are going to be just kind of get to know you. And then we have a fun little activity after the questions.
Gotcha.
Alright, so first, for those watching at home, just kind of give us a brief description of what network cabling is.
Network cabling is basically just running wires or setting up doors, setting up cameras, etc. It's mainly for your Ethernet or your phone lines.
Sounds fun. So what actually made you pursue this line of work?
My dad runs the company. It's pretty easy to do. Well, pretty easy to start off with. Solid hours, solid job sites, get to move around a little bit.
Awesome. So in an alternate timeline, what would you see yourself doing if not network cabling?
Homeless shelter or a waiter job.
Okay, homeless shelter as in you living there or are you helping out?
We don't gotta go that far.
Alright, so what was the first thing that you learned or that maybe your dad taught you, and why was that the first thing?
Keep wires high up. Like, just make sure they're not touching the ceiling, make sure they're not riding the pipes, make sure they're not just J-hooks, wire ties with your friends.
Awesome. What was probably the most difficult thing to learn?
RJ45 heads.
Why?
Being able to line up all the specific colors and specific holes, something I cannot do.
So what do you like to do in your spare time when you are not working?
Does this mean like lunch break or does this mean like...
Anything. What do you do on your lunch break and what do you do when you get home?
Eat and watch TV. Pretty simple.
Okay. So where were you born and raised?
Abington, Pennsylvania.
Alright. Have you traveled anywhere, like, outside of PA?
I've been to quite a few states down and up the eastern coast. Been to Florida, California, Arizona, Costa Rica, around the country.
Oh, Costa Rica. Never been there. Probably will not go there because I do not have the luxury of going there. So if you had to pick one particular thing in this industry that you like the most, what would that be? So like one thing you like doing or...
Oh, if I could just sit there and I can just jag through for every single job, I'd be happy with that.
Alright, just kind of keep a rhythm
going.
Just
sit down, belt bucket, keep it moving.
Just have music?
Yeah.
Awesome. So out of all of the services that Bridge Cable offers, what is the one that excites you the most and why?
Being able to see the live updates on the CCTV is always something that's interested me.
Oh, that's pretty awesome. I guess we'll have to check that out.
Yeah.
What is one thing that is dangerous about your job that you have to ensure that you go about safety prevention?
Sometimes the lifts are a little shaky, which comes with the job spot, but just wear a helmet, wear the harnesses, you'll be fine.
And one last question before we move on to our fun little activity. One food item has to go. Pizza, wings, tacos, or burgers?
Tacos. Easy.
Tacos,
easy.
Alright, I'll take that. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to do a little bit of rapid fire. So it's a this or that, and you just have to quickly just choose what you prefer.
Okay.
You don't have to give a reason why. We'll just move on. Okay? Awesome. Alright, so you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Texting or talking?
Texting.
Dawn or dusk?
Dusk.
TV shows or movies?
TV shows.
Winter or summer?
Summer.
Vanilla or chocolate?
Vanilla.
Shorts or pants?
Pants.
Pizza or tacos?
Pizza.
Coke or Pepsi?
Coke.
Cake or pie?
Cake.
Cook or order out?
Cook.
Jimmy Kimmel or Jimmy Fallon?
Neither.
Ooh! Go to sleep early or wake up late?
Wake up late.
Android or iPhone?
iPhone.
Dog or cat?
Dog.
Netflix or YouTube?
Netflix.
Roller coasters, yay or nay?
Yay.
Horror or comedy?
Horror.
When sleeping, fan or AC?
Both.
Movie adaptations or books?
Movies.
Superman or Batman?
Batman.
Alright, awesome.
All good.
We're good. So thank you so much for coming here to do this lovely employee spotlight, and stay tuned for more, and don't forget to subscribe.